Mona is a playful and mischievous girl. One morning, her alarm rings loudly, but instead of turning it off, she hits it with her pillow. The alarm falls to the corner of the room, and she goes back to sleep. Suddenly, the alarm starts blaring even louder, and Mona wakes up startled, her hair messy, and a confused look on her face. Mona gets ready for school, but her backpack is unzipped. As she runs out of the house in a hurry, all her things start falling out. She stops, turns around, and tries to pick everything up, but as soon as she does, the things keep falling again. In class, Mona tries to hold back her laughter because her friend is making funny faces. She struggles to keep quiet, but soon bursts into laughter. Seeing her laugh, the whole classroom joins in, and it turns into a giggle fest. During lunch, Mona doesn't want to eat her vegetables, which include carrots and green peas. Sneakily, she tries to toss her veggies out the window. Just then, a goat outside eats them up in a flash. Mona grins and says, "Good job, goat." After school, Mona returns home completely exhausted and flops onto her bed. Her mom tries to wake her, but Mona pulls the blanket over her head and mutters, "I'm not getting up."